This screencast is on let statements. We are going to take a look at problem 3 from the chapter 3 note packet, and we are told that the perimeter of a triangle is 31 centimeters. The side 1 and 2 are equal length, while side 3 is 1 centimeter shorter than twice the length of side 1. Let's determine how long each side is. We're going to, for part A, let x represent the length of side 1. So what essential part of this let statement is missing? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say that x is going to equal the length of side 1. Now it says that something is missing, and anytime that we're talking about something with a unit of measurement, we need to include that. So x is going to be the length of side number 1 in centimeters. Part B, what is the length of side number 2 in terms of x? Well, if we go back, we know that sides 1 and 2 have equal length. So we will also say that x is equal to the length of side number 2 in centimeters. They are the same. They are equal in length. Part C, we want to find side number 3 in terms of x. If we go back to the problem, it says that side 3 is 1 centimeter shorter than twice the length of side 1. So we need to take side 1 and take twice that, so we're going to say 2 times x, and then we're going to do minus 1 centimeter, and that is going to be the length of side number 3. And we're getting that information by looking at the problem and reading that. So side 3 is 1 centimeter shorter than twice the length of side 1. Part D, we're going to write an equation showing that the perimeter is 31. And if you recall, perimeter is adding all the sides of the triangle together, so add all 3 sides up. So we're going to take the length of side 1 plus the length of side 2, which is x plus x, plus the length of side 3. And we're going to set that equal to 31. So part E, we want to solve the equation that we did in part D and determine the length of each side. And be sure to label your answers with the appropriate units. So if I go back to D, we're going to combine our like terms. So x plus 2x is going to give us 4x minus 1 equals 31. We can add 1 to both sides, and I've run out of space. So that gives us 4x equals 32. And when we divide both sides by 4, we'll get x to be 8. So we know that if x is 8 centimeters, that's going to be the length of side 1 and the length of side 2, and then we can calculate what the length of side 3 is going to be. We're going to plug 8 back into this equation right here, so we'll take 2 times 8 minus 1, so 16 minus 1 is 15. So we know that the length of side 3 is going to be 15 centimeters. So we would finally say that side 1 and 2 are 8 centimeters and that side 3 is 15 centimeters. And again, the process of doing this problem is to identify what our let statements are. We're defining the variables so that we can go about and solve our problem.